Look at that, it's so satisfying. Now my fingertips feel like velvet. It smells like an absolute dream as well. I am in fact running a competition where one of you can win the whole collection. Today is a very exciting day because Glossybox has finally listened to us glossies and they have created a brand new skincare range. I don't know about you, but every single time I unbox a Glossybox subscription box, I am always so excited to try out the skincare. It's helped me with my skin over the years, so this is just a magical day. Just as exciting as the advent calendar. Who's excited for that? So the range is vegan friendly, cruelty free, affordable, and it goes live tomorrow. Now, if you are a Glossybox subscriber, it goes live for you at 9 AM. And if you are not, it goes live at 12 PM for the rest of you. But if you do not want to miss out, you can definitely go over to the Glossybox website and pre-order your September box. Don't forget that I do have a discount code, which is just Eltoria, so you can get a discount on your first box, and also you get 20% off the skincare range. What a bargain. Let's take a look inside. It's like a glowing angel. So inside this box we have 10 skincare products. Now all of these are suitable for all ages. You can purchase them individually, and the packaging, let's talk about the packaging. I think the packaging is beautiful, it's very simple, and also the packaging is also environmentally friendly. Most of the packaging is made out of sugarcane, so it's super biodegradable. So it's pretty much no nonsense and no nasties skincare range, which is my kind of skincare. Oh, I just want to add, I've already tried out these products, so this is going to be an honest and a very in-depth, honest review, just to let you know. If it looks like that my face and hair is melting, by the way, in this video, it's because it's around 40 degrees in this room right now. I cannot cope. So first up, I'm gonna start with the Deep Cleansing Cream. Now this removes makeup and it helps hydrate the skin. So this is absolutely perfect to take off makeup. I tried it for the first time the other day and my makeup came straight off. As well as removing the makeup, it also helps to get rid of all the nasties on your face, so the pollution, the dirt. It really helps to keep the skin feeling fresh, clean, and 100% nourished. So inside this cleansing cream, we've got tsubaki oil, which helps to keep the skin feeling super hydrated, and babasu oil, which helps to nourish the complexion. A little top tip, just get an almond size, rub it in between your fingers, and then apply to the face, and then grab a cotton pad, preferably recyclable, and then just take away the makeup. Now my fingertips feel like velvet. On to the second product. Now this one blew my mind away. I absolutely fell in love when I first used it, and it's the Exfoliating Clay Scrub, which deeply cleanses and restores radiance. Now what's so beautiful about this little pink babe right here is that I feel you can use it as an exfoliating cleanser and also as a cheeky little face mask. So inside this one we do have Cornish Clay, and it's super thick. Now what I would do with this one is once a week I would apply it to damp skin, move in circular motions, and then rinse off. If I wanted to give myself a little bit more of a treat, I would actually leave it on like a face mask. It's that good. When you do rub this product between your fingers, you can feel the rice exfoliants in there, and this product also does have glycolic and also lactic acid, so it helps to give the complexion a radiant look. It smells just like a spa. Moving on to another cleanser. By the way, there's 5 cleansers in the range. Now this one is the Purifying Charcoal Cleanser, and this helps remove excess oil and dirt. Let's take a look and see what this one's like. Oh, it does look like a typical charcoal product. Now when I rub it between my fingers, you can definitely feel the biodegradable exfoliating beads in there, so it really helps to get the dead skin off from your face, and also it has bamboo extract, which helps to get rid of all the impurities, the dirt, all the nasty stuff. Personally, I would use this product if you have oily to combination skin. Perfect for right now because I'm looking a little bit of a sweaty mess. We have a bit of Masala gel here. So this product is called Daily Masala Gel Cleanser, and this helps to nourish, purifies and soften the skin. Now this product is amazing if you want to remove makeup, cleanse your skin but without stripping the moisture from your skin. So if you have very dry skin, this is perfect for you. So the Masals help to cleanse away dirt and excess oils from your pores, whilst the blueberry seed helps to hydrate and nourish your skin. Now this is actually the perfect cleanser if you want to use it with an electric massager, because it does lather up so beautifully on the skin. As you can see on my hand, it's just done that right now. And the cactus stem extract inside helps to nourish the skin. And I would highly suggest cleansing twice if you are removing makeup. But it's great. Look at the lather on that. Next up is something that I like to use every single day without fail because one, it's super easy to use and it's very, very quick. So here I've got the Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Now this one helps to soothe and hydrate, and when I use it for the first time, let me just tell you this, it is hands down the creamiest foam cleanser that I have ever used. So in this one you also do have the cactus stem extract and also the leaf extract, so it really does help to keep your skin feeling very nourished and super hydrated. But let me just show you what I mean by its creaminess. Oh, look at that, so satisfying. Just look at that. Oh, I can only describe this as almost like a light shaving foam. It smells like an absolute dream as well. Now personally I recommend using this product both day and night. Just pop on 2 pumps, lather around your face for about 30 seconds and then wash off. This has got to be one of my favourite products. Now for a first skincare collection, I was very happy to see an eye cream. So this is the Eye Boost Cream, which helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Now when I first tried it, I have to say that this eye cream is certainly quite thick. It feels extremely nourishing and very luxurious underneath the eye. Whilst it does feel thick, it is actually quite lightweight underneath the eye, so it's super fast absorbing. So if you are definitely someone who gets puffy eyes like me, then this is going to be your best friend. So with this product, what I would do, so after you've cleansed using one of your cleansers from the new Glossybox skincare range, I would apply 3 dots underneath the eye and then just gently rub in. So the elderflower extract helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles, whilst the Eye Bright plant extract works to soothe tired, puffy eyes. And it also does have red seaweed, which helps to lock in the moisture underneath the eye. This next product is perfect for a day like this, and also for the up and coming months as well. So I've got the Hydrating Mist, which tones, primes and refreshes. Now I have a little top tip for this product. So I've actually been storing this in my fridge and I've actually been spritzing it when I get very hot in this hot weather, and it just literally works a miracle. My skin feels hydrated, I feel much cooler. Everyone wins. So this is something that you can certainly use after cleansing or before applying makeup. So this has hyaluronic acid inside, which is fabulous at retaining moisture in your skin, and it's very, very good. What helped me in particular with acne. It also has bambassu oil, so it helps to keep the complexion looking and feeling nourished. By the way, the range smells so damn good. There is a slight scent to the range, but it isn't overpowering, just to mention. We are now just about to touch on the moisturizers and the night serum, which is in the range. So I'm going to start with the 3-in-1 Rich Moisturizer. So this helps to plump, prime and nourish the skin. So this product also has hyaluronic acid inside, so it's very good at retaining the skin's moisture, and it's also got camelina oil inside, which leaves the skin looking and feeling supple, nourished and healthy. So there is in fact another moisturizer in the range, which is the 3-in-1 moisturizer, but this is richer than the other. Now, the difference between consistency between these two is that the richer one is slightly richer in thickness. Personally, I would use this moisturizer if you have very dry skin, and I would use this product in the morning, and I would use the night serum, which I'm about to go onto in a second, in the evening. So all you need to do with this product is get roughly a little pea size, just like that, rub it in between your fingers and then rub in circular motions for about 45 seconds. So it's called a 3-in-1 moisturizer because it brightens, nourishes, and it also acts as a primer underneath makeup. I don't know about you, but I always forget to put primer on, so having a 3-in-1 moisturizer is a game changer. Okay, moving on to the other moisturizer, which is the 3-in-1 moisturizer, and again, this plumps, primes and protects the skin. Now this one also does have hyaluronic acid inside, but it also has the red seaweed inside, so it helps to lock in moisture in the skin underneath the barriers. Why am I doing this? Now we're going on to our 10th and final product, which is the night serum. So this deeply nourishes and brightens overnight. I was pleasantly surprised when I used this product for the first time. It didn't feel like a water-based serum and it didn't feel like an oil. It really was the happy medium, which made me super happy, because when things are too water-based and when things are too oily, they can irritate my skin. This, on the other hand, is almost like a creamy gel. So it isn't heavy on the skin whatsoever, but it really does penetrate into the skin and it just leaves the skin feeling so happy, nourished, it brightens, and your skin just feels so happy in the morning. So inside this product we've got glycolic acid, which helps to keep the skin looking illuminated. It also does have Persian silk tree extract, which helps to reduce visible signs of fatigue and gives a brightening, more even looking complexion. So personally for me, once I have taken off my makeup, cleansed my skin, I would then apply this and then leave it overnight. There we go everyone, so that is everything inside my package that I got from Glossybox for their new skincare range. Like I said at the beginning of this video, you can purchase these individually, and if you want to take advantage of the 20% off the skincare range, you must be a Glossybox subscriber. But don't worry, if you're not a Glossybox subscriber, you can pre-order your September box, and don't forget to use the code Eltoria to get a discount, and I've left the link to that down in the description. So if you are a subscriber, 9 AM it becomes available to you, but if you're not a subscriber, 12 PM is your time slot. Now what would I say was my favourite 3? This is so hard. I would have to say the Gentle Foaming Cleanser, the Exfoliating Clay Scrub, and the night serum. But which one did you like the sound of? Please drop me a comment down below, and if you've reached the end of this video, comment Glossybox skincare fan. I am in fact running a competition where one of you can win the whole collection. All you have to do is go over to my Instagram, give me a follow, go like the post, tag your buddies in there, and also go and follow Glossybox. But as always guys, make sure that you link, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another video.